Three-step frame. First, you're going to tell them what's going to happen. Our brain loves predictability, and not vaguely, but in very straightforward language, as though you're speaking to a toddler. That's what our brain likes. What's going to happen and what to expect. Second step, you taking person through the actual process and you tell them what they're experiencing. And the third step, you kind of reflect on what happened and you repeat what they should be experiencing at the same time. You have little kids, great, because kids love predictability. Now we're going to the kitchen and going to have hot chocolate. And as you drink hot chocolate, you'll feel cozy, comfortable, and relaxed. Already at the table having hot chocolate, and notice how comfy it is now, how pleasant, how it helps you to relax and calm down. And every time we have hot chocolate, it gives us cozy feeling that everything is fine. You finish hot chocolate, great. Now that you've finished your hot chocolate, good boy or good girl, notice how relaxed you are.